All right, so here's the thing. Subscribing isn't going to make you some Excel superhero. You won't master it overnight, but subscribing could definitely help. So, if you're watching this tutorial to figure out how to reflect text based on a certain criteria, we are going to jump right into it. So, in my example, I've created a bonus tracker for all of our agents. And in this bonus tracker, I want this specific cell to spit out a text, whether they met or didn't meet, based on these three criteria. So, in this example, we will say if I have three separate criterias, I have B27, I have D27, and I have F27. I have my goals, as you can see here, in Y, V, and AB all the way over to the far right so that they're the same for every single agent. And what I have here is if, so equals if, open your parenthesis, and open your parenthesis, my first argument, if B27 is greater than or equal to my value that I have in Y25 and D27, which is here, is greater than or equal to my value that I have in V25 and F27 is also greater than or equal to what I have listed in AB 25. We'll change this to, we close our parenthesis, add a common, open your quotation. So words have to be in quotations. So for our example, we'll say if they met, we want it to say, hell yeah, brother. And if they didn't meet, we want it to say, sorry, brother. Closure, make sure your quotations are around both sets of words and there's a comma in between. Close your final parenthesis and press enter. And because these criteria are met, it reflects hell yeah, brother. We're going to copy and I'm going to right click, paste special, formula only. And because the criteria did not pass, you can see 12% was lower than the 15%. They didn't meet all three. So sorry, brother, you're not in the game. It's that simple to add text to your spreadsheet. If you like this and you enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you for the next tutorial.